The gardening club, we meet on every Friday from 10:35 to 11 o'clock.
Well, we always come in and the first thing we do is check the fish tanks and our aquaponics system. Once we're done, because we don't have a lot of time, we'll make sure everything is watered nicely.
Do some weeding if we have time.
Weeding. It's really important to get outside and get in the sun and just kind of reconnect with nature.
I think it's a great opportunity to relax with your friends. You can contribute to sustainability at Crockett. Thank you.
You have to do a lot of things when you're young to find out the things that you really love and really are attracted to.
This has definitely influenced my path. I'm going to Colorado State University, and they have a really big focus on sustainability.
The college I'm going to has a garden, and I'm going to get involved in that as much as I can. This one sunflower is so cute.